Bird. Bird. How do you like it?
It's a bird. Found the bird. Found the bird. Found the bird.
That's a bird. Yeah. Have you ever heard of a bird? That's a bird. A pigeon. I know that was really close up. There's a bird. And that bird has eggs. Yeah. Keep you guys caught up with this bird. And it's egg. Is there an egg in there? There's Legos. I can't tell if there's eggs. Comment if you guys see an egg. If you guys don't, comment that you didn't even get close to seeing an egg. Comment, and I'll keep you guys posted with this bird. Get back to you guys when it has little chicks, or when I actually am able to see an egg. Yeah. Well, see ya later, bird.